Observation Log 3479. Human beings often speak of job security as if it were a destination. Study hard, acquire valuable skills, build a career, and security will follow. Yet history tells a different story. Every few decades, a new technology arrives and disrupts the professions people once considered indispensable. The farmer faced the tractor, the craftsman faced the factory, the typist faced the computer, and now the office worker faces artificial intelligence. Each disruption feels unprecedented, yet the pattern remains the same. The modern society appears to rest on a curious assumption that valuable skills guarantee lasting security. Entire educational systems are built around this belief. Individuals invest years learning specialized knowledge, expecting those skills to remain economically relevant. But there is a problem hidden within that expectation. The value of a skill is never permanent. It depends on scarcity. The moment a task becomes cheaper, faster, or easier to perform through another means, its market value begins to decline. Not because the worker failed, but because the environment changed. This is what makes artificial intelligence so fascinating. Not because it replaces workers. Machines have been replacing human tasks for centuries. What AI reveals is something deeper. It exposes the fragile foundation beneath the idea of job security itself. Markets do not reward effort. They do not reward loyalty. They do not reward experience for its own sake. They reward value, and value is constantly being redefined. Perhaps the real question is not whether AI will take jobs. Perhaps the real question is why so many people believed those jobs were secure to begin with. If security depends entirely on remaining economically useful, then security was always temporary. Artificial intelligence may not be creating that reality. It may simply be making it impossible to ignore. And from a broader perspective, that may be the most disruptive thing AI has revealed. Not the fragility of work, but the fragility of the story humanity tells itself about work.